In this guide, we'll connect your eLocate store locator to your BigCommerce website. This feature lets eLocate create a dedicated store locator page on your website without any additional coding. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Now, let's get started. Go to Settings, then open the Website Integration tab. Let's start by enabling your store locator on your website. Turn on the Integrate eLocate to your BigCommerce website toggle. Once enabled, the fields below will appear so you can set the name and URL for your store locator page. First, enter the name you'd like customers to see for your store locator page. For example, I'll use Store Locator. Next, let's set the URL for your store locator page. Enter only the last part of the URL, such as /store-locator. eLocate will automatically add your website address for you, so you only need to enter the part after your website address. Once everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner of the page. eLocate will automatically create a new store locator page on your BigCommerce website using the page name and URL you entered. After saving, it may take up to a minute for the changes to appear on your live website, so you can check your site to make sure the page is available. If you need to update your store locator page name or URL later, make those changes from eLocate instead of editing the page directly in BigCommerce. That's it! Your eLocate store locator is now connected to your BigCommerce website. If you need a little extra guidance, just click Get Help anytime. You'll find helpful guides and support resources whenever you need them. And if you'd like a live walkthrough or have any questions along the way, just email us at support@epicshops.com. We're just an email away.